Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 classic vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, here we go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started off here with a 1969 Dodge Dart, listed for $11,000 US in Rivers Junction, Michigan. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1969 Dodge Dart, 360 cubic inch V8 automatic, solid body and frame, floors have been replaced, runs and moves, needs some brake work. Low mileage engine with nice cam, nice interior, paint is driver quality, newer wheels and tires, clean title. And up next, we have a 1969 AMC Rebel SST wagon, listed for $10,000 US in Indianola, Indiana. It's been driven 85,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1969 AMC Rebel SST wagon, very good condition overall, Chevy 350 and 700 R4, runs and drives good. Nothing needs to be done in order to drive it on a regular basis. Exterior is not perfect, but looks great overall. Most of the original bittersweet orange metallic paint. Interior is also not perfect, but original and nicer than most. 4-barrel intake and dual exhaust. New front disc brake conversion, new starter, a few other random things done recently in the interest of reliability. This isn't a show car, but it's also not priced like a show car, and you could jump in it and go cross-country today if you wanted. I might consider trades, other classic wagons, C10s, Tri-5 Chevy projects, Fairmont wagons, etc. Might trade for a roller of some kind plus cash. $10,000 or best offer for a straight sale. Alrighty, here we have a 1971 Ford Pinto 2000, listed for $6,900 US in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's been driven 78,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and is listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, $6,900 or best offer. This Pinto drives great, lots of fun. I'm the second owner of 6 years. The original owner bought it brand new in 1971. Customized in the late 70s, always an Albuquerque car. No rust, no dents, everything works. 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual transmission. New KYB shocks, $6,900, possible trade, only if it's cooler than my Pinto. And here we have a 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe, listed for $10,000 US in Perry, Indiana. It's been driven 80,000 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: home built, mild custom, 350 Chevy engine recently rebuilt, 4-speed manual transmission, Nova rear end. Not perfect, but a fun driver. No heat or air, runs and drives great. Alright, here we have a 1976 Toyota Hilux pickup. I'm sorry, I'm not sure which way that's pronounced. Listed for $8,500 Canadian in Regina, Saskatchewan. It's been driven 40,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. Seller's description is as follows: selling my rare 1976 Toyota pickup. Body is in good condition. Box has some rust. Super reliable 20R engine, runs strong and doesn't burn any oil, starts every time. Features: 5-speed manual transmission, new fuel pump installed last year, pace setter header, tires have lots of tread left, long box. And it's hot rod time. 1926 Ford Touring, listed for $13,500 US in Arlington, Washington. It has an automatic transmission, listed in good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: 1926 Ford Model T, steel body, 2.8-liter Ford V6, Ford Autolite 2-barrel carburetor, solid lifters, custom headers, automatic transmission, Datsun 510/610 independent rear suspension, 10-gallon Cowell fuel tank, weld wheels with knockoff covers, 1932 fiberglass grille shell, 1932 stainless steel grille, fiberglass hood, Record Model A radiator. Rear doors are bolted shut. Nice interior, Optima battery under rear seat area. The floor has been channeled front and back and is a tight fit for the driver's feet. You use your right foot for gas and left foot for brake. Frenched in 1939 Ford taillights, rear deck lid louvered, Frenched in collector license plate. Asking $13,500, sold as is. Alright, the pics on this one are a little dark, but I wanted to include it. 1977 Pontiac Firebird, listed for $13,000 US in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's been driven 94,908 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: selling this 1977 Pontiac Firebird with an SBC 350 V8 with an auto trans. Car runs great and can be used daily. It is currently missing the belt for the AC compressor. Has tinted windows and tires are in great condition. Has lots of potential. No trades. Alright, I'm a little biased for the small roadsters, but this sucker looks gorgeous to me. 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, listed for $15,000 US in Waurika, Oklahoma. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description: short and sweet. 1970 Karmann Ghia, great car, a lot of fun. Alright, here we have a 1964 Plymouth Valiant 200, listed for $13,500 US in San Mateo, California. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, engine has been completely rebuilt several years back, less than 20,000 miles on the engine. Odometer reads little over 100,000 miles. Powerful 225 slant 6 starts right up. Runs amazing with no issues, always was serviced and maintained its whole life, can be a daily drive. Exterior all original, all stock, very good condition for its age. A few blemishes, such as dings, chips, but overall she's mostly been garage kept. No rust, clean title, no accidents, also has original black plate, has new convertible top. Also have original boot for top. Interior very good condition, also with minimal wear or tear. Everything works including factory power top. All stock, all original. Alright, we've reached the last vehicle for today. 1967 Ford Fairlane, listed for $15,000 US in Everson, Washington. It's been driven 54,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1967 Ford Fairlane with a 351 4V Cleveland swapped in. Engine has titanium valves, closed chamber heads, solid lifter cam, Magnum rockers, long tube headers, new Holley 750 double pumper, backed by an AOD automatic, have a C6 that comes with it. Has 3.00 gears, but I have a 9-inch with rear disc brakes and 410 limited slip gears for it. It's an awesome car to cruise in the summer, and with some work it could be a strong competition car. Come check it out. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos from project cars that I call Fix 'em Up Friday, which will go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.